Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. Because I mostly work from home, I often take in packages that the postman or that delivery people have tried to deliver to various neighbours of mine. Usually they end up finding that the neighbours are out, maybe they're at work, and so they knock on my door and I take in these packages. It's one of the nice things about the street I live in, the fact that people trust each other enough to do this kind of thing. This morning I had to drop off a package that I'd had for a couple of days to one of my neighbours, and I went round there bright and early, about 8:15 in the morning, and I was just about to knock on the door when I heard coming from inside raised voices and some kind of heated argument that was obviously going on. I tentatively rang the doorbell, and my neighbour came out, grabbed the package off me and stormed back inside, saying, "I can't stop and talk, I'm in the middle of a domestic." If you talk about being in the middle of a domestic or having a domestic, you basically mean that you're in the middle of or you're having a big row, a big argument with your partner, usually at home, in the privacy of your own home. So you can talk about having a domestic or being in the middle of a domestic to mean having an argument with your partner. But the word can, sadly, also have slightly more sinister uses. For a long time, and probably still today, plenty of police officers who've been called out to incidences of domestic violence, where usually a husband or a boyfriend is beating up or physically abusing in some way the woman in his life. And for far too long, the police officers have often dismissed these kinds of cases as simply a domestic and decided that they shouldn't interfere. So this is the kind of darker side of the way the word is used. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see any examples of how you might use a domestic.